faster than a nail gun, more powerful than a rope roller, able to leap safety cones in a single bound.
Look up there. Is it a drone? Is it a kite?
No, it's Handyman. No, it's Handyman.
Hey, Handyman, it's Handyman.
Yes, it's Handyman Hal, an awesome handyman who has the tools to get the job done. The handyman that always has a plan. Handyman Hal, fighting the never-ending battle of something always needing to be fixed, and the handy way. And now, another awesome episode of Handyman Hal.
Yep, I'm gonna do this. Oh, this is gonna be great. Yep, I gotta do that. Do that. Oh, hey my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal. I hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. I'm here in Aner, South Carolina at S&R Turf and Irrigation. Oh, today I'm gonna learn all about sod farming. Never done that before, but I've got my Handyman Hal to-do list. Some really awesome things to do. Like first, I've gotta cut some sod. Yep. Get to cut this field of sod today. Oh, let's see, got that to do. Oh, fertilize. We've got to fertilize the sod. Harvest? I don't think I've ever harvested sod before. That should be really interesting. Oh, and then haul it. Oh, we've got to deliver sod. This is gonna be a great day. Come on, let's go have some fun.
How's a handyman that's got a plan. How's a handyman, if he can't fix it, no one can.
Oh yes, here we go. First thing on the list is to cut the sod. Oh my friends, it's time to get to work. And this is our first item. We've got to mow all of the sod. And this is a mowing tractor. And it's awesome. Look at this thing. Oh, it's gigantic. We can cut a lot of sod with this thing today. Yep, it has 3 separate cutting decks. 2 on the side that go down, and 1 on the back that goes down as well. Oh, and this one, look at this. This one has 3 blades on it. Oh, they're really, really sharp, spin around really fast. Yep, oh, and the ones on the side, look at this. These have 4 blades, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, wow. Let's see, there's 4 on this side. There's 4 on that side. So let's see, that makes 8 blades. Oh, and then we got the 3 on the back. Oh, that's 11 blades. Yep, that's a lot of blades. Well, we do have a lot of cutting to do today, so it's gonna help out great. Oh, and each deck has these. There's a roller in the front, and there's a roller in the back. They're really important because their job is to make sure that the cutting deck cuts level. We don't want our sod to be cut all crooked. Oh, and next on this tractor, this is really cool, are these tires. These aren't normal tires that you see on a tractor. These are turf tires. Yep, and their job is to make sure that the sod doesn't get messed up. Yep, they're spread out over a wide area. Yep, and it helps keep the sod all nice and clean. No tracks. It's wonderful. Well, let's check out the inside. You ready? Oh, yes. Oh, come on. Let's get in the cab. Ooh. This cab has air conditioning. Ooh, we've got our steering wheel. We've got our pedals. Oh, well, I think first off, we need to lower our blades in the back. Yep. So let's do that first. Oh, perfect. Now we've got them down. Yep. Now we've got our blades down. Now it's time to activate the PTO and turn on our blades. Here we go. Sweet. All right. We're gonna turn our throttle up, nice and easy. Oh yes. Now the blades are turning. Let's see. Safety first. Seatbelt. Okay, great. Oh, we gotta shut our door. Oh, perfect. Oh, yes. All right, gonna put our clutch in. We're gonna turn it into forward. And we're ready to go. Here we go. All right.
The handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. Handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. It's come at last, will be a blast. It's time to cut that grass, y'all. We'll take it slow, oh don't you know? Now watch that tractor go. The handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. Handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. And this machine is such a dream, 'cause it can push and pull things. Look at the stuff we can pick up. This tractor is so tough, yeah. The handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. Handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors.
Oh, good. Oh, wow, my friends, that was awesome. Now, on to the next task. Let's go. Whew, sure is hot out here. Let's see here. Fertilizer. That's what's next on the list, yep. Oh, and there it is. It's a fertilizer truck. Ooh, but look at that. It's a sprayer. And look at those gigantic tires. Let's go check this out, come on. You know, a sprayer is really important on a sod farm. The reason why is because it uses all kinds of different mixtures for weeds, for liquid fertilizer and helping the sod grow. It's really awesome and really important. Check out these tires. Almost as tall as me. Oh, wow. Oh, and you can see, right underneath there, that is the tank for the mixtures that we use. And then it forces it to these right here. Come here. Look, these are the sprayers. Look at that. Go from one end all the way to the other end. That way we can cover a lot of sod at one time. Come on, let's go inside so I can show you how this works. Oh yes, big huge ladder to crawl up. Oh yes, here we go. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, open it up. Oh yes, here we go. Can you see me down there? Oh, you made it up, good job. We're really tall. You can see everything out here. Oh, like I said, this is a really important piece of machinery. It's run on a really important computer system. And here is the screen. What's great about this computer system is it helps the driver not over fertilize or over spray. So if they go over an area that they've already been on, the computer shuts it down and stops spraying until they get to another area that they need to spray. Oh, and this joystick operates the boom arm and the sprayers as well. Oh, right here in the center is the switch that raises and lowers the arms. Watch. Oh, yeah. We can lower them down just to the right height that we need it to be at. Perfect. Yep. And then what we can do is we can press this button on the bottom and it turns on the sprayers. Oh, see, look at there. Oh, yes. And then while they're on, then we can start to drive. And then whenever we're finished, all we have to do is hit that button again and it turns them off. There we go. Perfect. This is a really awesome piece of machinery. But now, I think we need to go take care of the fertilizer. Come on, let's go. friends, now it's the time to fertilize. Oh, and this is a really special trailer. This is the fertilizer tender, and it's humongous, and it's loaded down with a lot of fertilizer. Well, we do have a lot of sod to fertilize. We've got to get the fertilizer from the tender to the spreader truck. And we get to use this right here. This trailer has a built-in motor. Yep, are you ready? Let's crank it up, and we're gonna get to work. There we go. Perfect. It's gonna get really loud, okay? Now, this trailer has an auger that goes all the way up there over the spreader truck. So the first thing we need to do is we need to turn that auger on, right? Try this right here. There we go. So the auger is on, and now we need to open up the bins. All right, you ready? Here we go. You see, right down there, there's a plate that's gonna slide out. Are you ready? Here we go. Perfect. There we go. So the plate opened, and it's dropping the fertilizer down, and it's going up the auger. And in a minute, we're gonna see it coming out the top. Look at there. Oh, yes. Now, we just wait on the truck to fill up, and we'll be ready to go. Awesome job. I think we've got it. We're full. All right, let's shut this engine off. Oh, yes. Now, let's go check out the spreader truck. Come on, let's go. Oh, here it is. This is the truck we're gonna use to spread the fertilizer all across the sod. Yep. Oh, and look, we actually have some fertilizer right here. See? This is what we use to spread across the sod. Oh, it's really colorful, isn't it? And it helps the grass grow and be nice and healthy. Oh, so the way it works is inside the bin is loads and loads of fertilizer. And then we have these two conveyor belts. Yep, and they spin. And if you can see, they bring the fertilizer out from underneath the bin onto these. These are the spinning blades. And watch, they spin really fast, just like that. And that's what spreads the fertilizer all across the field. Let's see how fast we can make them spin. Oh, see? That's exactly how it works. Oh, and I cannot wait to see this truck in action. Oh, come on, let's get in the cab and let's get to work. Oh, yes. Here we go. Boy. Now, this truck has a really expensive computer system. Yep. Oh, it's the brains of the truck. It tells the driver exactly where to go. Yep. That way he doesn't over fertilize or under fertilize. Yep. Can you see right there? It shows him the direction that he needs to go, when he needs to turn, when he needs to stop, and when he needs to turn around. It's like a really amazing GPS system. It's really neat. Well, safety first, seatbelt. Let's get to fertilizing. This is gonna be great. Here we go. We're activating the spinner plates and the conveyor belts. Wow, that's awesome. There goes the fertilizer. This fertilizer truck is moving. Oh, yes. That was awesome. Oh, did you see that fertilizer? Did you see that fertilizer flying everywhere? Oh, next, let's look at our Handyman Hal to-do list. Let's see here. Yep, we did the cutting. Yep, oh, we did the fertilizing. Harvesting. I don't know, never done it before, but it sounds really interesting. Come on, let's go. Oh, look, here it is, my friends. This is the harvester. This is the tractor that we use to harvest all of the sod when it's really, really special, because it has a really awesome attachment. This right here, this is the harvester. It has some really important parts to it. Right down here is the first thing that happens. This is the chopper blade. Yep, and this goes up and down as they ride all the way down the field, and it chops the grass into certain sections. Oh, you can see it right here. Watch, see it on the front there? Oh, they're doing such a great job. It's chopping the grass as it goes into certain sections. Yep. So really cool seeing that in action. And then there's another really special part. It's the second blade. Right underneath this barrel drum, yep, is a really, really sharp blade. And that blade moves up and down just like that, and it's cutting the bottom of the sod. Yep. And as we ride, it brings it right on in with this barrel roller. Yep. And it rolls everything right on in. Now this blade gets changed every single day. Have to make sure it's really sharp. Yep. So we got to make sure we keep our hands from underneath that barrel drum. Once it gets chopped and cut on the bottom, it rolls right on up on the conveyor belt. Check this out. Right on up to the back of the tractor. Come here. And this is a really, really cool part back here. We have two workers that come back here. Yep. And as the sod comes up the conveyor belt, they roll over these brushes. These brushes have a really important part. Yep. They knock all the excess dirt off the bottom of the sod pieces. Yep. And each worker grabs them, turns around, and they stack them on the pallet back here. And you can see there's a few pieces. Check this out. Look at there. Yep. And this is one piece of sod. You know they cut these 1.5 inches thick. Yep. Oh, and each pallet holds 187 pieces. That's 500 square feet of sod. That's a lot. Oh, now let me go show you the controllers of how all this works. Come on, let's go. Alrighty, my friends, this is where the driver sits. He's got a really important job. He's got to make sure that he stays straight on the path so we can cut some really even and nice sod. Oh, and then of course, he has the ability to control all of the parts of the harvester. Well, at first, let's crank it up. Oh, yes. I love the sound of a tractor. Oh, now, let's get the harvester turned on. Lay this down here. And this lever activates the harvester. Are you ready? Oh, there it is. Oh, so as you can see, we've got the gears spinning around on that belt. And that's what operates the harvester. We've got the conveyor belt as well as the cutter on the bottom there. You see that blade moving back and forth? Oh, yes. It's really cool. And all of the controls up here, the driver can control lowering and lifting up the depth of the sod. We can either make it 1.5 inches, 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches. Yep. We change the depth of the sod. And then this lever controls lowering and raising the actual harvester. Oh, Oh yes, isn't that cool? Oh, and of course, like I said, 187 pieces goes on one pallet. Right here, this box, it's a counter, and it counts all the way up to 187, and then we can reset it and start all over. I really love this tractor. Well, you know what? I think it's about time to go harvesting. Come on, let's go. Wow, that's a lot of sod. Two, three, right? One. Oh, wow. Two, three. Oh, yeah. All right, my friends, we're back here working. Oh, and as the sod comes up on the conveyor belt, we're grabbing them, and stacking them. Isn't this really cool? Oh, yep. And you can see the brush is working. They are knocking off the excess dirt. Oh, my friends, you hear that sound up there? That's the chopper. It's chopping the grass. Go check it out.
Let's go.
We've got to get 187 pieces on this pallet. Yep. So the counter is working. Whew. And then once it gets full, we're gonna drop the pallet and fill up another one. This is some good looking sod. Yep. So what we have to do is we have to lay 6 pieces in one direction, just like that. And then we go back with 6 pieces in the opposite direction. Friends, we're doing such an awesome job at this. It is a little warm out here. Good thing we've got a shade covering our head from the sun. Whew. This is a lot of sod. Wow. We filled up another pallet, so it's all good to go. Now our next step is to load it onto the truck so we can haul it off. Come on, let's go. Oh yes. All right, my friends, now is the time to load up our pallets of sod. We've got a customer here picking up a couple pallets, and we get to use this awesome piece of machinery, a forklift. What's great about forklifts is they can lift up really heavy pallets. Yep. You see the 2 forks on the front? Yep. All kinds of cool hydraulics and pipes in there that move it out and move it in, lifts it up and lowers it. It's perfect for moving these pallets of sod. Ooh. Now check out that truck. That's the truck we get to load and we get to deliver. Come on, let's go. All right, my friends, it's the last pallet. Oh, yep, here we go. Putting it on this awesome truck. So awesome getting to use this forklift. Let's see. We gotta line it up perfectly. All right, about right here. Here we go. We got it now. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, it's on there now. Oh, wow, my friends. This has been great loading this truck. Oh, all we got left is to strap all of the pallets down, and then we'll be ready to go. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. All right, my friends, the last few straps to put on. When we get to toss it over. Got it rolled over. Here we go. Oh, make sure there's nobody on the other side. Oh, wow. This is awesome. All right, that's nice and tight. That's nice and tight. Oh, my friends, we're all loaded up and ready to go. It's been a great day. A little dirty. Maybe a little hot out here today, but it's been great. Oh, let's check the Handyman Hal to-do list. All right, let's see here. All right, cut grass. We've done that. Had a lot of fun doing that. Let's see here. Ooh, fertilize. We certainly did that as well today. And harvest. We did harvest the sod today, and I loved working on the harvester. And then, we're doing that now. Perfect. Oh, this has been a great day. Oh, and you know, I gotta say a big thank you to S&R Turf and Irrigation for letting us come out here and have some fun and work with them today. All right, let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a big truck. All right, here we go. There we go. Safety first. Seatbelt. All right. You know what's great about these trucks? Air conditioning. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal today. We'll see you later. Perfect. Oh, here we go. See you later.
We're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome's what we do, 'cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome.
We're gonna learn all about it today. Come on, let's go. Oh, hey, my friends. Oh, really? It's Hay. It's me, Handyman Hal. Hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. We're here at Williamson Hay Farm in Kingstree, South Carolina. I'm gonna be learning all about hay, where it comes from, what it's for, and how to collect it. It's gonna be a great day. Well, hey, come on, let's go. All right, here we go. Safety first. Seatbelt. Let's see, there we go. Got it. Let's tighten it up. Let's see here. Oh, perfect. All right, got that on. Let's see. Oh, we need to turn on our hay baler. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's working great. Okay, let's go. Clutch in. It's got all kinds of really cool stuff in here. So get our clutch in. We need to put it in that first gear. And we're off. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Whoa. Oh yes, this is great. We've got a big day of hay baling ahead of us. Let's do this. Oh wow, you see that? That is a wheel rake. And it is taking the cut hay and it's making it into rows. And the rakes are in the V shape. They spin really fast and they pull the hay together. Awesome job. We're doing such a great job. And you can see them all over there. Look at all of the bales over there. Oh yeah, this is great. Well, my friends, check it out. This is it. This is the hay baler. Oh wait, this is just a tractor, but it's actually attached to it. Come here. Look, this is the hay baler. This is a round hay baler. Let's see, you've got square hay bales and you got round hay bales. And this is what makes those gigantic round bales of hay. Oh, check this out. So it's operated off of hydraulics and this awesome drive shaft. Look, there's the drive shaft. Yep, we've got all our hydraulic hoses that's connected to this amazing piece of machinery. So this is how it works. Down here, come on. We even got hay down here. This is called the throat. It's like a gigantic mouth. Oh, and you see, there's pickup teeth. You see those? Mouth, throat, and teeth. That's pretty awesome. So those pickup teeth, they rotate around and round and round and round, and that's what picks up the hay, and it sends it straight up into this gigantic compartment that's called the hay chamber. And what happens is the hay goes all the way in there, and it starts to form the big, round cylinder bale of hay. Maybe we should open up and check out the inside. Yeah? Come on. All right, here we go. We'll crawl up here, open our door. Okay, let's see. All right, we've got to twist this. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we got that part, and now let's open it. Oh, look, it's opening up. spinning. Can you see? We gotta be really careful. You can see all of the pickup teeth that are spinning, and then it spins right up into here. Look, at all these different belts that spin together, and that's what creates the big round bale. Oh, look, see them? Let's see, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 gigantic belts that are spinning around that creates that round cylinder bale. Ooh, and you know, they get up to 5 feet tall, 4 feet wide. That's a big bale of hay. Oh, and whenever it finishes, there's an alarm that goes off in the cab. And then it's time for the net wrap. You have to wrap the bale of hay in a net wrap. Oh, you want to see that? Oh, check this out. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it's ready. Oh yeah, come on, come check this out. So right here, underneath this latch. Oh look, it's the net wrap. And this is what we use to wrap the bale of hay once it's finished inside the chamber. Can you see it? It kind of looks like a net right there. Oh, we got one for extra, just in case we need it. We do have a lot of hay we've got to bale today. Ooh, and so once it's finished wrapping with the net wrap and it's all done, there's an alarm that goes off in the cab to let you know you need to eject it. So you have to open it up and the finished bale rolls right out. And you close it back and you keep on going. Oh, wow, isn't this awesome? I totally cannot wait to see this in action. Come on, let's go. Oh, this is awesome. It's got so many different things in here. All kinds of cool technology, like our screen here. This is telling us how much hay is actually in the chamber. Yep, so as we go, it collects it. That's what it's doing now. It's collecting it. Oh, yep. And then whenever we're full, it's gonna let us know. That way we can wrap it with the net wrap. And then we can eject it. Oh, wow. Well, this is great. Oh, well, thank goodness it's got air conditioner in here because it is a little warm outside today. Oh, I wonder if it's got a radio. Oh, look, it does. Oh yeah, we can get used to this. Let's keep on going. Gotta straddle this hay. Look, it's working great. Oh, this is awesome. Oh yes. Here we go. Wow, this is a big field. This is gonna take a long day. Oh, well, thank goodness we've got a hay baler to help us out. Oh yeah. Oh, uh-oh, did you hear it? There's the alarm. It says it's almost full. Oh, and look, it's telling us to eject it. Okay, so here we go. Slow down and let's open it up. Oh wow, there it goes. Did you see it? Now, we're gonna close it back and continue on. Wow, that was amazing. That was our first bale of hay. Wow, this is so awesome. This is so much fun. Oh, wow. Look at this, my friends. This is a hay field. Doesn't this look awesome? Oh, and look. You can look at it right here and it looks kind of like grass. Oh, yeah. Oh, you know, the Williamson Hay Farm has been in business for over 25 years. And they have over 100 acres full of hay. Now this field right here, this field, it's got about 4 to 5 more weeks and it'll be fully mature. And then they can harvest it. You know, hay is really important because we use it to feed all kinds of animals, like horses and cows and even goats. When here at this farm, they produce 1,000 round bales of hay and 2,500 square bales of hay. That's a lot of hay. Oh, maybe we should check out the bales. Come on, let's go. Whoa! Oh, wow, look. These are the bales. We've got a square bale, see? It's in the shape of a square. Oh, and we've got one of these. It's a gigantic round bale. Check that out. Oh, you know, 16 of these squares can fit into this one gigantic bale. Yep. So these weigh 50 pounds. So if those weighing 50 pounds, these gigantic round bales, they can weigh up to 800 to 900 pounds. That's a lot of hay. Oh, wow. Check it out. Look. It's the finished product. It's a gigantic rolled bale of hay. Oh, yeah. This is great. Look at it. It's 5 feet tall, 4 feet wide. This is going to make a lot of horses happy. Oh, yeah. So now we just got to get it in the shed. We got to put it in the shed to protect it. Got to keep it from rain and moisture. Yep. You know, this being the last one, we're getting to use a really awesome piece of machinery to move these bales. Check it out. Oh, look what this is. It's a gravel tractor. And it's got this gigantic gravel on the front. Oh, so come on. Let's get to it and move this last bale of hay. All right, here we go. Right on in. All right. Oh yeah, here we go. Seat belt first. There we go. Woo! Gotta love the air conditioner. Okay, so let's get this in gear. Here we go. Let's go. So what we're gonna do is we gotta position the gravel right over the top of the bale, right into the center of it, like right there. Perfect. All right, now we get to use our joystick. We're gonna lower it down right on the top of it, just like that. Oh, a little bit higher there. Oh. Let's see. Oh, and right there. Okay, and now we get to close the grapple, just like that. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna lift it up, just like that, and then we're gonna tilt the grapple out, because this is how we're gonna stack it. Just like that. All right, here we go. So let's back up. And let's take it to the shed. Oh, yep. This has been such an absolutely awesome day today. But finally, We got the last bale. Here we go. Right into the shed we go. Isn't this awesome? This tractor makes it so easy to move these bales of hay. And not only that, but it helps us stack them. Check out all these stacks. All right, so nice and easy. Nice and easy. All right, right there. There we go, perfect. All right, now we got the lower. Ooh, we might need to pull up just a little bit. Right there, perfect. Nope. Perfect, check it out. All right, let me get to loose the gravel hook. Lift it up. And then we can back out. Check that out. How easy and awesome was that? Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. That was great. Oh, all done. And wow. Look at all of these bales of hay we collected today. Wow, that's a lot. Oh, well, at least there's gonna be a lot of happy farm animals. Oh yeah. You know, we've had such an awesome day today. Yep, learning all about this hay, like how it's grown, how it's collected, and how it's stored. Oh, and we got to use some really awesome equipment to get the job done today. Like the hay baler. The best part is seeing the bales ejected out of the back of the baler. It's my favorite part. Oh, and then we got to use this piece of machinery, the gravel tractor. It's awesome. It's really good for helping us move the bales from place to place, even helping us stack them in the shed. It's been great. Oh, so we got to give a big thank you to Williamson Hay Farms here in Kingstree, South Carolina, for letting us come have some fun and play with their hay. It's been an awesome day. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal. We'll see you later.
We're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome's what we do, 'cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome. The handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. The handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. It's come at last, will be a blast. It's time to cut that grass, y'all. We'll take it slow, oh don't you know? Now watch that tractor go. The handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. The handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. And this machine is such a dream, 'cause it can push and pull things. Look at the stuff we can pick up. This tractor is so tough, yeah. The handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. Handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. Beautiful day tractor brings us good luck. The handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master, every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. Handyman's out driving tractors in the field. This tractor master, every day he's getting faster. Handyman's out driving tractors. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. The sun is up and it is getting hot. Want to eat something sweet and cool? What have we got? Do you hear what I hear? We're in luck. A super duper awesome ice cream truck. Wow, we really cool. Trucks are awesome and they rule. When I grow up big and strong, I hope to drive one too. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. I hope you weren't fast asleep. The trucks are waiting outside for you. There's a truck that you have got to see. So many wheels on it, I counted 18. On the highway they are driving down the road. Semi-trucks carry a heavy load. Wow, we really cool. Trucks are awesome and they rule. When I grow up big and strong, I hope to drive one too. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. I hope you weren't fast asleep. The trucks are waiting outside for you. There is one more truck that I admire. Be sure to give a call if you see a fire, and they will always come to save the day. The fire truck will soon be on its way. Wow, we really cool. Trucks are awesome and they rule. When I grow up big and strong, I hope to drive one too. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. I hope you weren't fast asleep. The trucks are waiting outside for you. Wow, we really cool. Trucks are awesome and they rule. When I grow up big and strong, I hope to drive one too. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. I hope you weren't fast asleep. The trucks are waiting outside for you.
Hey, my friends, don't forget to subscribe.